Okay, we're back with more Paper Mario, and we're actually at the boat.
No, we're on the dock.
Shut up.
It says you're on it.
I could have guessed that.
Alright. Is there anything important here?
Nope.
Take us. Mario.
Remember
I feel
me?
like it's Italian.
Saved me from the tight flopper spot in Autumn Mountain a while back. I don't remember that. Yes.
Ugh, shall we set motor for the Great Sea? Ugh, it sounds so wrong. Does it?
I don't know. What's the joke? I missed it. At least we're not in some dry ass desert. I don't like this.
It's too open.
Yeah, I immediately do not like this.
Alright, bomb.
The pink one. I thought it was purple. Those things really are everywhere.
I'm trying to remember what it was.
Thanks for taking me all the way out to the Great Sea, Big M. I've got to plan to rescue Olivia, but we need a special item first. It'll be found on a luxury ship, the Princess Peach. It should still be out here somewhere, I hope. Once we get our hands on that item, we can save Olivia in no time.
I wonder what it is.
It's a lighter to fucking just set himself on fire. And
like the
that.
long nozzle that makes it look like.
Ooh, it might be a cannon. So that'll be the Princess Peach. What? Sail straight from here. We should spot a huge ship.
And it's the princess. Oh! Beep, beep.
Bitch, isn't he the captain? Hold down trigger, we'll go fast.
Oi! Oi!
Wait, save him. Save that guy. Save that guy. Honk at him. No. Talk to him. I dropped it, sploosh, a fat stack of precious coins right into the old drink. See, he's British. He's Irish or something like that. I don't drop a bunch of coins into the big old drink I did.
Wait, there's something over there.
Look, the streamer goes down. I don't think regular fish attack you. Can we just cut it?
Nope. Kind of going around it at this point.
There's a boat. I see the boat. It's down there.
Oh.
We're headed for the boat, not for the streamers ahead. Don't hit any rocks. I'm pretty sure this toad doesn't have insurance.
I'm trying to see if there's something on this one. What is that? Just rocks. Lame.
Oh, the rest of the streamers over there.
Hey, wait.
Oh, sharks.
No, those aren't sharks. It's just a. Oh. It's not letting me check it anyway.
That's it, Big M. That's the Princess Peach. Let's get on it then.
Come on, see what's over there.
Sharks.
It's not sharks. It's just a school of fish. See?
Okay. You didn't have to interrupt their day, but okay.
Is that pepper spray?
No, it's a speaker.
It looks like a pepper spray or a lighter.
Oh, there you go. There's the little ladder to get on. Oh, good enough. They realized this game was for children and said, alright, let's just make it so you get close enough.
Hey, that's not what happened.
Ah, here she is, lads. The famous cruise ship, the Princess Peach.
Alright.
I knew it had shipped out recently, but why is it stopped way out here?
Oh boy.
The secret to saving Olivia is on that ship, Big M. We'll find it in the VIP stateroom on the second level. Second level? What the fuck? Was he saying something stupid?
That's all you.
Yeah. Oh, look at those cheap sheeps. Hit him in the head. They're gonna jump at you.
Oh fuck.
I told you.
It's okay.
Wait.
Just sheeps.
Scooch him in? Maybe?
Yeah.
I just rotate him.
I was just gonna scooch him in. Hit him with a hammer. Oh no, that would not work.
Go push B. Yeah, just rotate him. You have a weird way of thinking, but okay.
So I thought they would fit 4x4. And let's have
No,
some
no, no,
fried
no, no.
cheap. Oh shit!
Oh my god.
I missed a bed.
Yeah.
I was not paying attention.
What do you say?
Oh god, I am not. Aw, man.
Oh my god. You had it all.
It's okay.
This last one just
Only
died.
one. Oh god. It's okay. What?
It's a wave battle.
Okay.
So it just like scooch those two in and scooch those two that way. Now you could use the hammer, see?
Oh.
Now you can use the hammer.
I'll just use the regular hammer.
Yes.
That was funny.
No, was it?
To me, it was. I wasn't paying the slightest attention. Aw. I missed
All
it.
dead.
It's okay.
Monies. Just kill them all. You did. Can you get in the water?
I don't want to try it.
No, try it.
Nah.
I'm pretty sure you can.
No, look.
Oh, okay, whatever. Fix that thing. You think that's a toad in there? Like a confetti or something?
It's just confetti, I think.
You'll never know. And that will forever bug you.
Nah,
Hey,
it's
look,
confetti.
in that cage. A nice boat we got here. Hit that barrel.
Nope, that's it.
Okay. Where you going? Oh. Oh, you know all the secrets, huh?
Nope. Oh,
Chest.
I thought we'd be able to fix that.
A block. Came all this way for,
For
a
a
block.
block. Jeez, those Tic Tacs really smell like Coke.
They're nasty though. Like they taste like Coke that's been sitting at the bottom of the cup for like 2 days.
Ugh. Well, I
Yeah.
don't drink Coke, so I wouldn't know.
Ugh, these Tic Tac Coke just taste fucking awful.
Oh, blocked off.
Can't you get top of the staircase?
Oh yeah, I just wanted to see if there's something over there first. Because it is in the middle of nowhere, so...
At least the pedals match the ship.
Yes.
You missed the coin. Cringe. Gay cringe. It's like they're trying to keep something in. Didn't we watch a movie recently where there was like a boat with a bunch of people that were infected? No, I did. I watched that movie.
Not a boat.
No, because you watched Quarantine 3 on Kill Count.
Yes.
But I watched part 4, and part 4's on a boat.
Really now?
Yeah, and it's like super claustrophobic. Ooh, 20 more HP. And we got a little stronger too.
Not gonna lie, it feels nice for Olivia not to be on my ear.
Hammer Bros. We haven't run into them before.
No.
Repair that.
Do I jump on them? What do I do?
Maybe you hammer them.
They're
But
on the-
repair that hole. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Alright, hammer that one.
A second. Oh.
Alright.
Lied
no,
to me.
No, it's not gonna. I'm not saying you were gonna kill him. I'm just saying like, you know, you're gonna do some damage. Whoa.
That's it?
It's a little complex for my taste. Oh, you got 3 moves. Okay. Ooh, other way. Yeah, there you go. Ooh, sauce.
Just shiny boots.
I would have gone for the overkill. Oh, that is death. Okay, thank you.
Nope, missed one more.
How did he?
Oh, it's okay.
No,
Oh.
he tripped. He's been sleeping. Remember? Damn. He moved.
It's like you.
Just normal boots. No need to put strain on your shinies. So I speculate that they have anywhere between 30 to anywhere between 24 to 30 health.
Yeah, I'm not going after the other one.
Why?
I kind of don't want to.
Oh,
Wait, is there something I missed?
No, you
Well, I
got.
was supposed to. Hold up. I know what it's supposed to do.
What are you supposed to do?
Because it's blocked.
Okay.
Aw.
No. Wait, we'll see what's through that door in the next one. Main hall. Okay, now we know. Thanks for everyone for watching. We'll be back in the next one.